Get off the pot.
Yeah, go ahead.
Tonight, newly discovered body camera footage is raising some questions about why students were arrested during pro-Palestine protests at UT Austin last year. 4 students are now suing the school, the governor, and the state police, saying they were targeted for speaking up. CBS Austin's Abigail Velez is live on campus tonight for us after reviewing the video to explain why legal experts say it could become a critical piece of evidence in this case. Abigail?
Walt, this is the area where students were arrested last year during a pro-Palestine protest. If you remember, DPS troopers filled this entire area. But tonight, what we're seeing and hearing from this new DPS body camera footage is raising concerns, as a new lawsuit alleges these students' rights were violated.
We've been asking this question, but now what are they doing illegal? What? What are they doing illegal now? Shields down!
It's a question you don't expect to hear from the officers making the arrest.
All right, let's get off the pot.
Yeah, go ahead.
As the body camera of a Texas Department of Public Safety trooper is rolling, officers debate who to take into custody during a pro-Palestine protest at the University of Texas at Austin in April of 2024.
Which one are they going after? I don't know.
Now, more than a year later, that moment is at the center of a lawsuit accusing the governor, the university, and law enforcement of retaliating against student protesters for speaking up.
I think Texas has a strong tradition of respecting the First Amendment, right? I think this goes to show how stark the viewpoint discrimination here is.
The 4 students who filed the lawsuit say they were violently detained and forced to face disciplinary actions from the school even after their charges were dropped.
We have 5 or 6 officers tackling them, holding them down by their necks, tying them with zip ties.
The lawsuit names UT, Governor Greg Abbott, former UT President Jay Hartzell, UTPD, and Texas DPS, seeking damages and a court declaration that their rights were violated. Legal experts say the body camera video could become a star witness in itself if the case ever meets trial.
This body cam video will be very powerful evidence. It's certainly possible that a judge or a jury listening to and viewing this body cam video could decide that the officers didn't fully appreciate their role, didn't fully understand what they were supposed to be doing.
Now, the university and DPS declined to comment on pending litigation. Meanwhile, the attorney in this case hopes to get a trial date as soon as possible, although we're unsure if the lawsuit will even reach that point. Reporting live at UT Austin, Abigail Velez, CBS Austin News.